So we start by taking the left hand side. Cosh of 4x is 1/2 e to the 4x plus e to the minus 4x. And the cosh of x is 1/2 e to the x plus e to the minus x. Just missed an x in there, you need to be careful. So multiplying through with 2 times 1/2, which is 1 times 1/2, which is 1/2. And then I have e to the 4x plus e to the minus 4x upon e to the x plus e to the minus x. So if I use FOIL, if I multiply the first two together, e to the 4x times e to the x is e to the 5x. Outside, e to the 4x times e to the minus x, so that is e to the 3x. Inside, e to the minus 4x times e to the x will be e to the minus 3x, and finally the last with e to the minus 5x. So 1/2 times e to the 5x plus e to the minus 5x is the cosh of 5x. And then if we have 1/2 times e to the 3x plus e to the minus 3x, that is the cosh of 3x. So QED. So we have a hint here, parts 1 and part 2. So if I take part 2 and use part 1, cosh 5x plus cosh 3x, I know is 2 cosh 4x cosh x equals the 4 times. Bring it over to the left. I now have something equal to 0, which means I can factorize. So that gives us that the cosh of x equals 0, so that's no solution. Or the cosh of 4x equals 2. So 1/2 e to the 4x plus e to the minus 4x equals 2. Multiplying both sides by 2, e to the 4x plus 1 over e to the 4x equals 4. And then multiplying every term by e to the 4x. We have a quadratic in terms of e to the 4x, and we're going to use the quadratic formula. So e to the 4x equals minus b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2. So e to the 4x equals 2 plus or minus the square root of 3, which means that 4x equals the natural log of 2 plus or minus root 3. So x equals 1/4 the natural log of 2 plus or minus root 3.